Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 108 in the collection specification. So this vehicle is the dealership's current 108 demonstrator. It features 15-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's a rear camera. Now inside the car the touchscreen has DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get air conditioning, automatic headlights, a speed limiter, and the car's done less than 1,500 miles. So let's have a look around. Tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, so that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.